Hello, I just want to show a very small demonstration of how to use the Page screen capture extension. So after installation, you'll have this small icon up here, and when you press that one, it will take a screenshot of the page you're on and then apply it to a great background. And in this case, we have the vibrant hues. But you can also change by tapping this one and then go for example the abstract flow. And again, it downloads the image and apply the existing website. And it also takes into account the width of the browser. So if you want to have a fixed size of your screenshots, then you can resize your browser and then do a screen capture. So in this case, I do capture screenshot, and it will just show up and saying, hey, what is it you want to name it? In this case, I'll just do demo screenshot. And by default, we're using the WebP format. It is also possible to change that. But in this case, we just open the screenshot. And in this case, you can see that it's a quite, let's see if I can actually get this one to show a bit smaller, like that. So the screenshot looks like this. So you can see it's actually taking the background and then apply a chromeless small border here, and then have a screenshot. So it makes it extremely clean. So that's it. Enjoy.